Windows 11 23H2, also known as Windows 11 2023 update, is rolled out to all the users recently. It's an optional feature that adds 2 years of additional support to Windows 11 operating system, and as a result makes it a critical update. So if you are not sure whether you have installed Windows 11 23H2 update or not, then don't worry. In this video I will show you possible ways on how to check if you have installed Windows 11 23H2 update on your PC. So without further delay, let's learn the steps. Before we move forward, we are trying to hit 10,000 subscribers on YouTube. Please consider subscribing to channel so that we continue making such content. First method is checking via about setting page. For that, click on the search icon and type about your PC. When the same setting appear in the search results, click to open it. On this setting page, you need to scroll down to Windows specification section. Here, if version is 23H2, then this confirms that you have installed the update. Another method is via run command. For that, again click on the search icon and type winvar. When the same run command appears in the search results, click to open it. If the version is 23H2, then again it confirms that you have installed the update. In case your PC showing version 22H2, then you need to update your PC to Windows 11 23H2. I have already created a video on how to get Windows 11 23H2 if it won't appear in the Windows update. So check the link in the description. So these are two ways using which you can check if you have installed Windows 11 23H2 update or not. So that's all about this video. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel for similar videos. Thanks for watching.